Namaste everyone. Today we're going to do Kapalbhati with Kumbhak and Jalandhar Bandha, which means Kumbhak means retention, Jalandhar Bandha means neck floor. I'm Amit Namdev and you're watching Yoga with Amit. Make sure that this exercise is for advanced practitioner who have practiced pranayama for at least 6 months. And if you haven't practiced it for 6 months, then please practice pranayama for at least 6 months before coming in practicing this. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon next to it so that you can get all the video as soon as they published. Let's begin. To start with Kapalbhati, sit in any comfortable position. Your hands onto the knee with chin mudra or gyan mudra, or in front, wherever is comfortable. Make sure that your back, neck and spine is straight. So that energy can flow easily without any blockage. Now take a long deep breath into your abdomen. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now breathe in fully, completely, and begin. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. We're going to do first Kumbhak and Jalandhar Bandha. So inhale into your abdomen, exhale. Now inhale 95%. Bring your chin to the chest. Hold the breath. Gently release and exhale. There was 40 pumping Kapalbhati, retention and Jalandhar Bandha for 15 seconds. Let's do 2 more rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale fully, completely, and begin. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Release and relax. Second round of retention and Jalandhar Bandha. Breathe in, breathe out. Now breathe in 95%. Hold the breath, chin to the chest. Gently release and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Sit quietly for a while, preparing for the third round. Third round. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale fully completely and begin. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Release and relax. Third retention with Jalandhar Bandha. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale 95%. Hold the breath, chin to the chest. Gently release and exhale. Sit quietly for a while and continue to meditate if you will, or simply sit quietly for a while and observe the breathing, the energy movement into your body. Become aware how your mind and body feels at peace, calmness and relaxation comes. Help you get rid of stress, anxiety, worries. Bring you into the present moment. And rub your palm together. Bring on your eyes, give warmth to your eyes. Gently rub your face. Give thanks in prayer pose. And very slowly and gently open your eyes. So that was the pranayama, Kapalbhati with retention, which means holding the breath, Kumbhak, and Jalandhar Bandha, which is the neck lock. Again, practice this only if you have practiced pranayama for at least 6 months. Also practicing yoga so that your internal organs are nice and warm up before you can practice diagnose pranayama. Comment below if you have any question, any queries, so that I can help you with. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.